I'm going to show you my favorite cast on. Make a slip knot, put it on this needle, and then you go into that stitch, wrap it around, bring it through and on to the needle, and then I use the needle itself for the tightness of all of these stitches. So you put it between those two and you tighten the yarn, you wrap it around, bring it through, put it on the end, put your needle through, so that all of the tightness of each stitch is exactly the same. It is not something that you have to control yourself like with long tail cast on. You can have a much shorter tail, which is easier to weave in. You don't have to guess how long. I've also heard that the long tail cast on is stretchier, but I've found them to be about the same. And I prefer this cast on method as well because of the way that it looks. It has a pretty bumpy, sort of twisted over edge that I like the look of more than the other cast on. I can't find the name of it anywhere online, so if you know the name of this cast on method, please leave it in the comments.